everybody, Jandareview, and we are here at the open house here at KZRV. So a special thanks to them for allowing us to be here. Now, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Now today, we're going to be looking at something we have not seen yet on this channel. And this is a Venture Sonic, model number 169 VUD. So let's get started. The length on this Sonic is 21 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 3,760, and that hitch weight is 520.
Yes, so like Jeremy said, we are so excited. We are here in Shipshewana, Indiana. We can't spell Shipshewana, but we're just glad to be here.
I did find out the locals call it Shipshi.
Shipshi, yes. So all of these are going to be their brand new 25 models. So we're just excited to be able to show these to you. Like you said, we have never featured a Sonic on our channel before, so this is first time we're getting to see one up close. But if you look at the front of it, it has a really nice fiberglass cap and this great LED light strip up here. These are a little smaller, so if you're looking for something to pull with a half-ton or a well-equipped SUV, this would be something to check out for sure. Here is one side of your pass-through.
Single axle version, but they also make a double.
Yes, and we will try our best to get a video on that also. Your dump area is going to be back here. Great location, outside shower. You are going to have a spare on this, and we are inside one of their warehouses, so I'm having to walk around a pole here, but let me get you a great shot of this. Now, Sonic is by Venture RV, which the parent company is KZ, so just so excited to be able to see one of these. Here on your campsite, you're going to have this little outside camp kitchen. You have your griddle, your mini fridge. Like you pointed out, this one is a single axle, so it should be really easy towing. We're going to try to look up these awning links. Some of these are brand new floor plans, so we may or may not be able to get that information, right. But we'll look up as much as we possibly can. Great LED light strip under it. Let's go in and take a look.
You didn't see this storage? You didn't see this side storage?
Okay.
You got ahead of yourself.
I did.
Now, we do have the light are out here for your cap lights.
And it is prepped for the tire link system. Okay, can I go inside now?
You can go inside now.
Now I can go inside. So glad somebody keeps me grounded.
You're welcome.
All right, a quick look around here. Again, this is another great option if you're starting out or just need something light, or if it's just a couple.
Oh, wow.
Definitely give this one a look.
Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, those have good hinges.
The hinges on those. Whoa.
Yeah, I got the storage up here.
Yeah. All right, and you have
got a little wardrobe hanging on one side.
Now you do have a TV right here that will swivel.
Yes, it's going to swivel around.
24-inch.
And it's a smart TV.
That's a smart TV.
And right above your head, this is really cool. There's a little shelf up there.
Won't you get down with the USB?
Yeah, with a USB port up there and a plug-in.
No, that's neat.
That is very neat. Okay, we're distracted by shiny stuff today. This is going to be about a full-size bed, so
let me tuck this
wow,
in.
Doesn't lift out, but hey, it doesn't need to. Look at this.
Let me tuck this in so we can see the drawers.
How cool is that?
Okay, I like that.
That is so cool, and that actually makes a lot more sense than lifting a bed.
Yeah.
It really, really does. Oh my goodness. Okay, over here in your slide out is going to be your booth dinette. Of course, this will make additional sleeping if you need it. Storage under here. I'm sure there's storage on the other side too.
Yes.
Yes.
And you know, for two people in here, it's not bad.
No, it's actually pretty good floor space in here. It is going to have a direct dump AC unit in here.
Oh.
Yes, they give you these two-tone cabinets. Now, I can't tell you if that's new or not because, like I said, we haven't seen a Sonic
We
before.
have never seen a Sonic, but Venture does give you
These
the
cutting boards.
boards.
That is just so awesome. I can tell you that these vent hoods are new. They haven't done the curved ones before. So, 2-burner cooktop. They put your microwave down below it.
And it is convection.
Wow.
And we've got a couple of cabinets right here. Oh!
Ah, with drawers. Very nice.
And we got a little
Yeah.
pocket right there.
Yeah.
And your sink.
Nice big round sink with a high-rise faucet. This is going to be, I think it's call it a thermofoil countertop.
And the Envision fridge.
Yep, 12-volt compressor fridge.
Wow.
Now, you do have bunk beds in this one. So they're a single over single. They're going to have a 250-pound limit on them. And I can't see around the corner here. Let's see. I don't see a light up here in this top one, but you have the light right up above it. But then you've got a light down here.
And your USB is right here.
Yes, right under your wireless Bluetooth speaker.
Uh-oh. You ready to go see this bathroom?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Wow.
This is a very good sized bathroom for a smaller unit.
Yeah.
So it's not really a skylight. It's kind of an opaque.
Yeah, it's a...
Yeah. But now Jeremy's 6 feet tall. Now this is a smaller unit, so but hey, he still has headroom in here.
Oh.
Yeah, corner shower. There's a little bit of a step up to get into it. Very good sized sink over here. Storage below, and look, we already have towels.
All right.
Now there's not a medicine cabinet, but they do give you a mirror up here. All of your controls are back here. So your tank monitors, your water heater.
All that is right here.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, and you do have 12-volt tank heaters.
Tank heater.
Yes.
Wow.
That may be something standard in Venture. We don't know.
Yeah, I'm not real sure. They do give you a porcelain foot flush toilet. You got a slight angle there, so lots of room.
Wow.
Lots and lots
that's
of room.
cool.
Yeah, and there is a fan in there.
Yes.
All right.
All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this Sonic. First time we've got to see these. And big thanks to KZRV for allowing us to be here at the open house. So if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.